come on. Okay. What happened? What's that?
Present.
Oh, wow.
Oh my goodness, he was here.
What's he there? What's that?
Did you see him out there?
No, I didn't.
Hmm.
Oh, my foot stuck in the slipper. Come on, slipper. Go in there. What's in there?
I don't know. Just you wait. Just you wait. Just wait. Oh! He's pulling it off, Mommy.
What is that?
I think it's a present for you.
What is it?
Pull it off.
Ah!
What is it?
Oh my gosh. What is that?
Let's see.
What is that? What's it look like?
Shake!
Yeah, and an oven, and a refrigerator, and a stove.
Oh my gosh.
What do you think this is up here?
Bop,
Yep,
bop. Refrigerator.
a microwave.
A microwave.
Oven down here. Bake your bread in there, and there's your refrigerator.
Where's the oven?
Right there. And look at this. This is your stove with.
I'll turn around and
Yeah.